15 seconds to shoot. De Los Reyes. No good. Rebound by. No good. But a foul committed by number 10, Arquero. Arquero first personal foul, first team foul. Substitution ref, Arquero out, Litao in.
Score natin is 14-7 plus a free throw shot by Troopers.
First off by De Los Reyes, no good. Second shot, basket.
15-7, 8-point lead by Troopers.
Pantanilla, no good. Troopers ball.
Tama yung pwesto mga tama.
Leaders by Big Lasan. No good. Rebound by Villafranca.
Kaliwa lang yan! Kaliwa! Kaliwa!
15 seconds to shoot.
Ganda na.
10
Bilis sila.
seconds to shoot.
Nice.
Nathan! Nathan!
Ang bilis.
Foul
Nice.
committed by number 5, Tapalia. Tapalia first personal foul, second team foul. Time remaining 7 minutes and 46 seconds left.
Hawak! King! Saan ko sasagot kayo sa nagre-reklamo?
Rebound by Balistan. Fifteen seconds to shoot. Good block. Single. Sabrep, Balistan out. Salvador in. Same ball, 11 seconds to shoot. Basket by Maraño. Inbound by Litao.
Score natin 17-7, 10-point
Official
lead.
score 18-7 in favor of Troopers.
11-point lead by Troopers.
10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Rebound by Salvador. $15 seconds to shoot.
Okay.
Patriots goal. Substitution ref.
Atin iwan. Lumong.
Litao out. Pantanilla out. Jesus Del Rosario in. Del Rosario 3-point shot, no good. Ding Lasan 3-point shot, no good. Nakakuha ng foul, committed by number 6, Bautista. Bautista first personal foul, 13 foul. No good. Follow up, no good. Follow up, no good. Rebound by Tapalia to the shoes. A traveling violation by Bautista.